Hey, are you looking for the best drone from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. At number 5, the drone is ZLL SG906 Max Camera Drone. Recently this camera drone price is $111.56. This new version of ZLL SG906 Max is designed to offer you the best visual quality. It has a high-quality dual camera, specially indicated for you to enjoy the most incredible images in a big way. It reaches a 4K resolution, so you can obtain incredible images. It will allow you to take great pictures and videos in all places and situations. This drone offers lots of intelligent flight modes, besides common functions, GPS return home, dual camera, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, waypoint flight, follow me mode is available. 3-axis stabilized gimbal and superior 4K camera allow you to shoot a more stable and clearer image. The obstacle avoidance function provides a guarantee for the safe flight of drones. Professional aerial imaging benefits from longer flight time. It is built in 7.6 volt, 3400 mAh powerful battery. The drone has a maximum flight time of 26 minutes, allowing more time in the air to capture the perfect shot. With a one-key return function, the drone can find its way back home easily. It is easy to take off or land with one button through the remote control. It is easy to control the drone without the need for a two-hand operation. This aircraft will track you automatically and capture your movement with a particular aerial view. The camera lens will keep pointing at the mobile phone and remain constant distance to the mobile phone. An advanced GPS system makes it completely aware of its location and relation to you. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the flight. It's more convenient to operate the drone when comes across unexpected conditions and makes it easy to find the way home. At number 4, the drone is GD98 Max 4K Drone. Already this drone price is $172.39. It has a 4K anti-shake camera with adjustable lenses. Amazing clear photos and videos took from different angles and directions. The 4K 3840 by 2160 high-resolution camera equipped with Sony sensors easily capture extremely clear 110-degree wide-angle images. Enjoy real-time images through 5 GHz FPV transmission. It is a built-in 2-axis gimbal and strong wind resistance will support more smoothly and stable shooting. With an air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoor and outdoor. Through the GPS automatic return function, the drone is entirely under control in your hand and never gets lost. The long-life brushless motor has lower power consumption and less noise, which enables the drone to fly stably at high speed up to 16 meters per second. 7.6 volt, 3600 mAh high-capacity battery provides 28 minutes flight time. The flight distance is up to 1,200 meters to get the attractive scenery. The camera's visual tracking system is supported by AI technology. Rich and practical functions through app. 50x zoom, custom path flight, auto follow, points of interest, 3D VR, cool LED headlights, gesture photo are available. Don't need to manipulate it all the time, while it will fly automatically in your sight. When the battery is too low or the signal is interrupted, the drone will automatically return home. You can also manually control the return home via the remote control. At number 3, the best drone is Laumox Faith 2 4K GPS Drone. Now, this drone price is $282.85. The new Faith 2 comes with a razor-sharp 4K, 30 fps camera with Ambarella A12.1 CMOS Sony sensor that shoots crystal clear videos in 20 megapixel. This is revolutionary for a drone in this price range, as one usually has to go up in larger and more expensive drone classes to get similar specifications. The Faith 2 is equipped with brushless motors, which makes the drone more efficient than similar drones in the same price range that usually come with brushed motors. Brushless motors are typically 85 to 90% efficient, while brushed DC motors are about 75 to 80% efficient. This difference in efficiency means that more of the total power used by the engine is converted into rotational power and less is lost as heat. Faith 2 comes with GPS and GLONASS positioning, which makes the drone's flight skills very accurate and ensures a smooth and stable flight. The Faith 2 comes with a powerful 11.4-volt, 3100 mAh LiPo3S battery. It gives the drone lots of strength and power and a long flight time of up to 35 minutes. I always recommend extra batteries. So, you have plenty of flying time to get the right shots in the box. Faith 2 comes with one of the industry's longest ranges of up to 5 kilometers, which ensures that you can take your video and photo adventures out on brand new discoveries. In addition, to follow me, the drone will among other things. Also with other features such as waypoints, which means you can draw a predetermined route. The drone should automatically fly and film completely automatically. Faith 2 is equipped with a 3-axis stabilized mechanical gimbal, which ensures stable videos and still images. In at second place, the drone is Tccicadas GPS-4CH Brushless 4K drone. Already this drone price is $395.42. This brushless drone with 3-axis stabilized gimbal is a foldable RC quadcopter, which is easy for carrying. It is equipped with an optical flow module, GPS module positioning, ultrasonic positioning system, which makes it a super stable drone. You can shoot 4K HD photos or 1080 pixel videos. Take pictures while flying, get unusual works with different perspectives and compositions. Adjust the camera pitch angle to 90 degrees at any time. Through the remote control or app for better composition. Focus faster and more accurately, record the moment of excitement. This is powered by a 7.4-volt, 3500 mAh powerful battery, which fits in underneath the drone. It's a 3-cell modular battery that allows the drone to fly for around 13 to 15 minutes depending on weather conditions and the use of FPV features. One-button takeoff or landing and return, making flight no longer difficult, right and left hand switching, gravity sensing, low power return, lost connection. Various safe flight protection modes such as return flight to ensure flight safety. It has a variety of control modes such as fixed height, fixed point, follow-up, point surrounding, trajectory, and other intelligent flight modes to meet the needs of different scenarios. In at number 1, the best drone is JJRC X6 FPV Drone. Recently this drone price is $433.31. This drone is made from high-quality plastic and looks like a premium drone. It is not compact like a foldable drone, but it is small and doesn't weigh much. So it still makes a good drone to travel around with. The battery also looks like a DJI Phantom battery, although not as large. It is a small rechargeable LiPo battery that has a 3000 mAh charge, which will provide the drone with a 20 minutes flight time, which is very good for a drone in its price range. The battery has 3 LED lights that indicate how much charge is left and it slots neatly into the back of the drone. To fully charge the battery takes a few hours, and this is another reason purchasing extra batteries is highly recommended. No one wants to wait for 3 to 5 hours to fly their drone again. The JJRC X6 X comes installed with powerful modern brushless motors, which provide the drone with more thrust during takeoff, is more efficient and makes the drone faster. The camera is mounted on a 2-axis gimbal. This will stabilize your camera and make sure that your videos and images are almost distortion-free. It has a 120-degree wide-angle lens that will capture more detail in your images and videos. The FPV range is between 200 meters to 500 meters. In this mode, you can draw a path on the drone app and the drone will automatically fly through that route and come back to its original starting point. A great way to take aerial footage of your favorite areas without having to worry about controlling the drone. You can bring the drone back to its flight of origin with the simple push of a button. This mode is also activated when the battery gets low on charge or you lose connection to the drone. A very useful feature, which will minimize the risk of losing the drone. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.